In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert currency in PayPal instantly. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can quickly switch one currency balance to another inside your PayPal account. This is especially helpful if you get paid in one currency but usually spend or withdraw in another. First, sign into your PayPal account as you normally would. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Here, you should see an overview of your account, including your current wallet balance. Take a moment to make sure you're on the home page and everything has fully loaded, as some options can be hidden if the page is still refreshing. Near the bottom of your balance section, look for a drop-down field that's labeled something like Manage Money. It may be easy to miss, so scroll down slightly if you don't see it right away. Click on that drop-down, and from the list of options that appears, choose View Money page. This will take you to a more detailed breakdown of your balances and currencies. On the Money page, you'll see a section dedicated to your different currency balances. Here, PayPal lists every currency you currently hold, along with the corresponding amounts. Find the specific currency that you want to convert from. It might help to double-check the amount you have available before proceeding. On the right-hand side of that currency row, you should see a button labeled Convert Currency. Click that button to start the conversion process. A new page will open where you can set up the actual conversion. You'll see fields showing the From currency and the To currency along with their amounts. Make sure the From currency matches the one you want to convert out of, and then select the currency you want to convert into from the drop-down menu. Take a moment to review PayPal's displayed rate and any fees, since these will affect the final amount you receive. Once you've selected the correct To currency and you're happy with the details, click the Next button. The page will reload and present you with a summary of the conversion. This summary typically includes the original amount, the exchange rate, any associated fees, and the final converted amount. Carefully review everything one last time. If all the details look correct, go ahead and click the Convert button to complete the transaction. After a brief moment, your new currency balance should appear in your wallet, updated instantly.